drone testing facility. I can't say it.
You were really into that. Hi everybody, I'm here with Aaron, my fellow partner on the video team here at Nextiny, and today we're talking about drone footage. It's a really trending topic. A lot of people are trying to incorporate drone footage into their video content, but a lot of people don't know about the legality side to it, and that in order to sell drone footage commercially, you need to be properly licensed. So Aaron, can you tell us a little bit more about Part 107?
Sure. So Part 107 is basically a new regulation that the FAA implemented in 2016 to the FAA guidebook. Before, it was really a gray area for drones and no one really knew whether there was laws or regulations. But with Part 107, it gives a black and white detailed explanation on what exactly you can and cannot do with a drone, and more specifically, what is required for a licensed drone pilot versus a non-licensed drone pilot. So knowing exactly what Part 107 is, Isabella, could you speak a little bit on the process of acquiring a drone pilot license?
At first it was a little overwhelming. I didn't have any prior knowledge of drone flying or any drone testing, so it was really beneficial having Aaron by my side. He showed me some resources that he used, and we found some additional ones on YouTube and Google, which we'll link out to some of the ones we used in our blog. I probably studied for about a week, and once I got really comfortable with the airspace differentiation and all the aeronautical charts and NOTAM charts, I felt like I was ready to take the exam.
Right, it sounds like a lot of information and again, a lot of aeronautical charts and things like that. But once you study it, it does become a bit familiar and a bit easy. So like Isabella said, we studied for about a week and then we went ahead and scheduled at our nearest testing facility. The test is 60 questions and it's 3 answers, multiple choice. So it's relatively easy to pass. You just need a 70% or higher. And then as soon as you finish the test, you'll immediately know the results. And if you pass, you'll instantly become a certified drone pilot. They'll give you a little certification that you want to carry around anytime you're flying. And then in about 4 to 6 weeks, they'll do a quick background check. As soon as you pass that, you'll get an actual piece. It's just like a driver's license and it'll come in the mail. So let's talk a little bit about the advantages that Part 107 offers you. So first and foremost, you are a certified drone pilot. That gives you credibility over every single person out there that's flying and operating a drone without a license. Secondly, you have an advantage and you can fly in Class G airspace to where anyone that is not licensed is not legally allowed to operate within that class airspace. Let's say you have a client that's working within one of those airspaces. Class G is pretty generic in general out there, so a lot of people will have facilities or something within that class airspace. And then additionally, a third advantage that you have is you can operate within 5 miles of an airport. So as long as you contact air traffic control and let them know that where you're flying, when you're flying, and they give you authorization, you're good to go. So those are some of the few advantages, obviously, that you would have as a Part 107 drone licensed pilot. But Isabella, you've been here with Nextiny a bit longer than I have, and you know kind of more of the ethical side of things. Do you want to discuss kind of just drone ethics from a Nextiny standpoint?
Yeah, so here at Nextiny, it's very important to us to practice ethically in everything that we do, and we wanted to make sure we were very educated on the subject, we got the proper licensing, and we even made sure to get insurance, which a lot of people don't know is available for your drone. So it's important to really feel confident when you're using this kind of equipment and when you're incorporating this into your clients' contracts or any video packages. So on the creative side, it has given us this incredible tool. We have really dynamic footage that we can add to our videos. Some of our clients work in the rental industry or maybe the dock industry, so it's hard to showcase what they do with your typical camera. So being able to use the drone to showcase the gravity of what they do is just really incredible for us.
For sure, and we've talked about it a lot, so why don't we go ahead and stop talking and show you guys some of our favorite clips. So there's some of our favorite clips. Now, if you are interested in getting a drone, we do encourage you to explore the Part 107 option and become licensed yourself. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.
See ya.